Here we have the Pax Era little thing. Pretty sweet. Removable pod. It's empty. These things are like $60 a pop, so it'd be ideal to refill them. And I'll show you how to easily take this off. You need is some of these C-clip pliers, so they can do this, or reverse them. Do that. Now they'll do this, which is what we'll need. So I'll show you, these are a couple I've taken apart. First, try taking the top part apart, which is just the mouthpiece and it's held on by these two little things. And then in theory, you can syringe or push these plugs in and syringe from the top, but it's kind of a pain in the ass and totally not ideal. So then the second thing you can do is take the bottom piece out, and it looks like this. So you have these little filters on each side like so. Sometimes they don't stay. And then it just pops back in like so. So I'm taking it out. Be careful. So if you don't put enough pressure and then you pull this part out, it'll pull these metal things with the wicks with it, and then you'll get something that looks like this. That's really a pain to put back. Another thing, I've noticed some of these cartridges kind of leak through the seal that's right around this edge. There's a gasket right around there. And when that happens, you get all the filters get all soaked up with all the oil. So this one's kind of useless too. So now, I have a syringe of some new oil, and we're gonna fill it up. Attach this plunger, and then there. Take that off, and we can put this little needle part on. And then what we want to do is fill it up but not get it in the hole, because then it'll just pretty much come out the mouthpiece. Got it in. This was a 1 gram cartridge, so I didn't fill it all the way up, as you can see. Now we got the full cartridge. Plug her in. And test it out.